Hello friends, it's Harry here. So in this video, I want to show how to create a forest plot in R and Python programming. So in the solid tumor studies, we often need to create a forest plot for the objective response rate with the confidence intervals. So first of all, let's look at this short paper. So this is a paper that I posted to my LinkedIn account. So in this paper, I discuss how to create the forest plot in SAS programming. And this is a data set that I used. So you can see there are just a few variables. We have the uSubject ID, and then we have the sex, race, region. So we're going to use these three variables as the subgroups. And then we have the param CD. This is the best overall response. And we have the value AVLC. Okay, so we're going to use this same data set in the R and the Python programming. So let's see how we can create the forest plot in R and Python. Okay, I'm going to clear the screen here. So here I have a few files. There is bor.7b.dat. So this is the data that we just saw with those few variables. And then I have two programs here, forest.r and forest.py. So let's look at the R program first. Okay, so in this program you can see we're going to need a few libraries here. We need a Haven to read the SAS dataset. We need this HMISC for the binconf function that we need to calculate the lower limit and upper limit, and then we need this forest plot. Okay, so in line 11 we read the SAS dataset here, and then we do it in 3 steps. So from line 15 to line 35 we do the race. So we calculate the ORR, the lower limit and upper limit for race. So from line 36 to line 56 we do it for the gender, and then from line 57 to line 77 we do it for the region. So after that we put everything together. Here we need to create two things. One is in line 79, that's called R meta, and on line 88 this is table text. So we need to create these two things because they are the arguments in the forest plot function. That's in line 105. Okay, so let's run this Shiny app. Okay, so you can see it's localhost 5601. So let's open the browser. Okay, so you can see here in the first column we have those subgroups for the race, for the sex, for the region. And then we have the objective response rate in the second column. And then we have the lower limit and upper limit for the ORR. And here we have the figures. So it works. Okay, so let's look at the Python program. Okay, in the Python program, you can see in the first few lines, we have to call some modules. We're going to need the numpy, scipy, matplotlib, pandas, and zapid. From line 9, so in line 8, we're reading the SAS dataset. From the line 9 to line 27, we create a small function. So in this function, we calculate the ORR and the lower limit and upper limit. So below this function, we just call it repeatedly. So from line 30 to line 37, we call this function for race, for sex, for region. And after that, we just put everything together. We created this thing called labs measure lower and upper. After that, we use this effect measure plot in line 45 to create the plot. Okay, so let's run this Python program. Okay, so you can see we get the plot. Here we have the subgroups here, the race, sex, and the region. And we have the figure here. And on the right, we have the ORR and the confidence intervals. So it works. The only thing is that there is a vertical reference line at the value x equals 1. So I didn't figure out how to get rid of this vertical line. Okay, so that's all I want to show in this short video. So we have seen how to create the forest plot from a SAS data set using the R and the Python programming. So I'm going to put these programs in my GitHub account, and I will leave a link below this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you.